Okay, secant of theta equals minus root 2. That's the same thing as cosine of theta is minus 1 over root 2. So recall, if it was cosine of, let's say, angle A is equal to 1 over root 2, the angle A is a special angle of 45 degrees. Okay. So that's important when we're trying to study this. Okay, so we want to be minus 1 over root 2. So let me draw this 1 over root 2 first. If the radius is 1, okay, so here's 45. This length right here, okay, that length right there is 1 over root 2 if the radius is 1. So if I get the exact same length and stretch it to, right, this quadrant to the left of the y-axis, okay, let's draw a vertical line up. Okay, this here is going to be minus 1 over root 2, minus 1 over root 2. In other words, this angle here will generate a cosine of this angle right here will be minus 1 over root 2. Okay, so what is this angle? Well, we know this is 45. And by symmetry, we know this has to be 45. Right? This and this length has to be exactly the same. This and this length has to be exactly the same. So if this is 45, clearly this black angle rotation here is 180 minus 45, so it's 135. So one of the possibilities of theta is 135. There's one more though. Okay, we could also rotate it this way and got the x value to be minus 1 over root 2 as well. So what is this angle from here to here? Okay, again by symmetry, this time it's 180. Okay, 180 plus 45, which makes the whole rotation 225. So that's the other answer, 225. So if you do cosine of 135 or cosine of 225, we'll get this x value being minus 1 over root 2.